Guys, this is Saurabh, or in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your SEO plugin for your website. And in this video we are going to set up Yoast plugin, okay? And after set up this plugin, we are going to do some SEO for our post, okay? And it's totally from scratch. Your post will definitely ranked on Google and other platforms. So why we do SEO? That's very simple. Because we have to rank our website, we need traffics, okay? So that's the reason we are doing SEO. So in this tutorial, we are going to do a step by step how to do SEO. So let's start. So here you can see that's my website here. So go to the plugin section, click on install plugin, add new, and now you're going to type your Yoast, and you will see here plugin. That's the plugin Yoast SEO. Click on install now and click on activate and activate this plugin. And now after installing this plugin, we are going to click on SEO, and you will see there is an option, general option. Go to the general option, and this plugin automatically do everything for your website. You don't need to do too much setup for this, okay? So you don't need premium at this stage, and you can do everything, almost everything from your free version, okay? So everything is up to date. You don't need to do anything else here. Just check it out, these things. Search appearance and click on general navigation name. So I'm going to use here ray of sunshine, and I have to upload the logo, and that's very simple. I'm going to use this and save changes. Now we have to do only one thing, this thing only, okay? And you don't need to do anything. There are a lot of options, but you don't need to worry about anything else. Now I'm going to add one post here and do the SEO for this particular post, okay? So I'm going to get the content from my website, thecodingbuzz.info. So I'm going to use this one and content. So I'm going to copy paste this content on my this blog. So I have to show you the how to do SEO for a post, okay? So copy the whole content, and you already have a content right in your post, so you don't need to worry about the content. And now we are going to copy and paste the whole content from this post and paste in this website like this. Fine. Now what should we have to do? You can see here after installing this plugin, you will see this Yoast SEO, a tab option here. There you can see there's a red mark. It means that's very simple, that if you want to focusing on plugin like best user registration plugin for WordPress, so you have to focus on registration plugin for WordPress. That's your focused keyword, or you can use only registration plugin also, okay? So I'm going to take all that one just like this. Fine. Now you can see there's a mark, like it's not very good, but it's a little bit good. Now what should we have to do? We need to add a snippet. Here you can see meta description. So that's very important thing. So whenever people search, so Google will take the meta description also. So I'm going to use first meta description is something same as it is a title, okay, like this. And after this I'm going to take some content from my post. So you will see here is some content. So I'm going to copy this content and paste this content here. It's not good by filling personal details. If I'm to remove some content, and you will see this green line details. So that's great. So you have to do like this, like okay, meta description and SEO title. Now click on analytics, and you will see still there is a problem. Then first thing is improvement and problem. So we already have done a lot of things, like 8 things we have done, like key phrase length, key meta description, everything. Now there is a problem with the problem outbound links. No bound link appear in the page. First, internal links. Internal links means you have to paste your on website link. Okay, so this will increase your website traffic. So I'm going to paste here site like this. So that's my internal link here. Okay, and now you have to what you have to do, you can see, go to the again SEO, and you will see the option. There are still 3 problems, so don't worry about it. Just click on publish, or you can just save it as a draft. Okay, and still there's a problem. Key phrase density, the focus keyword was found 1 time, that less than the recommendation minimum of 2 times. So what should we have to do? Focus keyword, copy this keyword and paste anywhere in your website. Like I'm going to paste here first, and I'm going to paste this in my paragraph somewhere. So like this, plugin for WordPress, and I'm going to go to the again, and you will see there's a now we have done 10 things very well. Now improvement 1, key phrase in title. It means the exact match of keyword phrase in the SEO title, but not beginning. Try to move in the beginning. So I'm going to do this very simple. So first, every website, so I'm going to just paste here registration plugin for WordPress, and that's started, right? Now you will see the icon of this is green. It means your SEO have done almost thing you have done. Okay, so that's the good sign of this SEO, whatever you have done right now. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. And thank you so much for watching this video, and please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.